Hi, I'm Grace from ERA. Today we are featuring a condominium that is next to a lifestyle mall, 5 minutes walk from the MRT and surrounded by not one but 4 nature parks. Here we are in Midwood, along Hillview Rise at District 23. Midwood is developed by renowned developer Hong Leong Holdings Limited and comprises of 564 units, 1 to 4 bedroom layout with two 29-story tower blocks which are 120 meters away from each other. Definitely an impressive distance which gives great privacy and allowed natural airflow throughout the unit. All residential units are either north or south facing, which ensure there is no afternoon sun. The residents can enjoy a full facilities condo with large courtyards that blend seamlessly through the space, and a childcare centre is also built within the premise for the little ones. A good selection of lifestyle indulgence can be found literally next door at Hillview 2 or across the street at Hillview Community Club. Big malls like Bukit Panjang Plaza, Helium Mall, West Mall are less than 10 minutes drive. Surrounded by private enclave, Midwood is the ideal starting point to explore just anything you could want, including a variety of natural parks such as Dairy Farm Nature Park, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, and so on. The soon-to-be completed 24-kilometer rail corridor will open up even more opportunity for exploration in the wild. Midwood is also at the heart of the road and public transport networks, with Hillview MRT station on the downtown line just 300 meters away, running entirely underground. Drivers, you are well connected to the Bukit Timah Expressway and Pen Island Expressway via Hillview Road and across Dairy Farm Road within minutes by car. Enjoy fast-free journeys to prestigious school along the downtown line, not forgetting Holland Village, Orchard Road, Shenton Way, and many more. Most importantly, Midwood is situated between the thriving Jurong Lake District as well as the soon-to-be transformed Beauty World. Don't miss the opportunity to live in a place that your home value will grow while you enjoy the best of both worlds. I can't wait to tell you more! So whether you are a HDB upgrader, investor, or looking for a home with good affordability and spacious layout, Midwood is definitely your star choice as it comes with great convenience and a high potential capital appreciation. Reach out to me at the number below. I'm Grace and I look forward to hear from you soon. Take care!